I want to talk about is Siri on the Apple Watch. Siri on the Apple Watch can actually read out the time to you by simply tapping and holding with 2 fingers on the home screen. So just like this,
9:51 a.m.
Siri would read the time out loud to you. In case you have an Apple Watch face that you can barely tell what the time is, because I've done that before, you can tap and hold again,
9:51 a.m.
and you'll get the time directly from Siri. Now on the Apple Watch, you can also take screenshots by simply pressing and holding on the digital crown and the side button at the same time. So press on both, just like this, and it'll take a screenshot. Now the screenshot goes directly to the camera roll of your iPhone, just like that. Now on your iPhone, you have to adjust a setting in the watch application. You want to head on over to General, scroll down, you'll see the screenshot enable option right here. You can go ahead and enable screenshots by toggling that on right there, and all the screenshots can be taken directly on Apple Watch. Now on the Apple Watch, you can also change the layout, the grid, the home screen. Right here, this is the grid icon layout. But if you have a hard time finding icons on this layout, you can hold force press on the home screen and go to what Apple calls the list view. Right here is list view, and this is a lot easier to find apps. It's a lot more organized. I prefer this one myself. Again, you can force press and bring up the grid or bring up the list view by pressing on the home screen just like so. Now on the Apple Watch, you can also control the camera of your iPhone. So scroll all the way, find the camera extension. This allows you to launch the camera on your iPhone just like that. And this is going to be very useful if you're taking a selfie with a group of friends and you want to go ahead and back away from your phone, or just simply propping your phone into a particular area and taking a photo of something. You can tap right there. You can also set a timer. Right here it is. You can force press on the home screen here, and you see you can flip the camera to the front. The flash can be enabled, also have the HDR, and the live photos option appears here as well. So you can actually control the camera application of your iPhone. The next one allows you to find your iPhone in case it's lost around the house. Simply bring up Control Center. You see this little icon here? You can press it and the iPhone will make a sound. If you lose your iPhone around the house and you have your Apple Watch on, you can find it. I use this all the time. Just like that. It's very easy to use, very useful. Now this next one is a feature that allows you to be visible if you like to run or jog in the mornings, early mornings, or at night. So you have a flash built into the control center of your Apple Watch, and when you turn this on, you can choose from various colors and patterns, and when you're jogging, this will actually increase the light depending on the darkness, and you can be very visible in a low light if you're jogging or running, like I said, during the mornings or at night. So awesome feature built into the Apple Watch. And last but not least, let's say you're talking to someone and you want to send your location. You can force press on the conversation thread and you can send your location. Now you have more options here. You can also change the language, reply, and see more details of this contact. But sending your location can sometimes be very useful if you're both jogging or hiking and either one of you get lost. You can actually track each other with location right there on Apple Watch by force pressing on a conversation thread. So that about brings it into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed Apple Watch tips and tricks.